Hi everyone, my name is Hyacinth, and I'm just here to give a quick testimonial about a 5-day movement marketing media kit challenge that I did with Iona Mead. It was transformational because each day I learned something that Iona actually connected with clarity, wisdom, and the practical strategies that you need to build a social media kit. I left that challenge feeling empowered and ready to share my movement story with confidence. I would say basically, Iona has a remarkable ability to simplify whatever feels overwhelming, such as positioning your message, building your authority, and creating that media kit that you need. I heard her mention about marketing, and I would say I've done marketing, but it's not marketing in the sense where, oh, you have to write the names down and you have to get this done and you have to get that done. She put everything together in that kit that you're able. When I left that workshop last week, I had a tangible message to deliver. I thought, well, working as a coach, a counselor, a career coach, that everything is fine. But she actually took this to the next level. So, leaving with a tangible tool and renewed purpose and a deeper understanding of how to connect my story to a movement was an awesome idea for me. I've done this. I've known, okay, you could coach you. I have everything together and it's okay. But she just took the coaching aspect and the marketing aspect, I'm going to say, to another level. Other than, sit back and say, I have it together. I would strongly suggest, if you're a coach or whatever field you may in, and you want to have a kit that is a tangible tool that you could use, I would strongly advise you to contact Iona Mead and be a part of her movement, because her movement has inspired me. Okay. I'm ready to rise, to another level. And I would suggest, if you're ready to rise as a soul guided spiritual person or an influencer and fully embrace that message with confidence, I challenge you. I ask you to reach out to Iona and participate in this challenge, because it's an experience that you never want to miss out on. All right. Thank you for listening. And I would say again, join Iona Mead in this movement. It's a soul movement to help individuals move. In that movement, you'll be focused. You will get your social media kit to move forward and bring your information to another level. Thank you so much.